time for some hands-on experience. Let's dig into all those little bits and pieces. And don't worry, from the ashes, we can rebuild. It's alive! Alive! Well, artificially, but still! Ooh, the Sonic Gang is having a camp out. Let's just hope there's enough marshmallows to go around.
Run! It's an evil robot!
Sure, robots don't eat, but his doctor buddy looks hungry. He sure has an appetite for world power. Maybe you should put down the stick. Because it looks like it's time for you to go fast.
Go!
It's time to crack some eggs. Yeah, I'll be here all day. Now let's get back to camping. Chili dogs, anyone? Wow, now that's what I call a squishy Sonic. What big eyes! And he's always wanted to be taller. But this might take a few more adjustments. Just trim off a little and hook him up to our machine. See? I always knew there was room for growth with him. Careful now, I think he's getting a big head. But he's still a lot of fun. He's practically our blue bouncing ball. Ooh, this fidget spinner kind of looks familiar. That's it. It looks like Sonic's legs when he's on the go. In fact, we could take advantage of the resemblance. Whether 2D or 3D, Sonic's got a need for speed. But it looks like Eggman wants to get moving too. Easy fix. We just need a paper clip. Just twist it up and hook it to this little box. Now, Dr. Eggman, why don't you take a seat? Want to go for a stroll? It does the walking for you. Amy Rose has got a full tank of gas. And you know she's not afraid to use it. Look, this tricked-out car has a few tricks of its own. Though I hope she's got a seatbelt and maybe a helmet. What she needs is a road to rage on. And we'll give her plenty of cars to keep her company. Now hook it up. We want to keep things all in one place.
Vroom, vroom.
Why don't we call one of our old Sprunky friends to help? Keep your eyes out, Orin. Let's make sure Amy is safe. Then again, maybe we need to keep everyone safe from her. Our clay pals are all smiles, literally. Plus, they're all really fun to squish up. Though, be careful, they don't really unsquish. But they do seem to have a bunch of fun treats inside. Wow! A ring! Diamond sold separately. I wonder what other goodies they've got for us. Oh, look! Knuckles has another gem, too!
Ooh.
Ah, jewels. You can never have too many. But let's see what Eggman's got in store for us. Well, there's only one way to find out. A cockroach. But it could be worse. It could always be a distraction. Sonic's got a special surprise for you. It's a great big blue balloon. Ooh, watch your spikes. We can't pop it. It's gonna be our next craft. Cover it up with glue. Remember, make paste, not waste. Sonic, you've got paper stuck to your shoe. Why don't we put it to better use? Like paper mache. It'd be a shame to let all that blue go to waste. The balloon did its job. It can take a break. And this shell could use our favorite hedgehog. Oh, you went to the ice cream stand? Wait, stand. That gives me an idea. Make Sonic his own stand. This will really help him light up the room. There's a reason Sonic's everyone's favorite hedgehog. Looks like our next craft's gonna use cardboard paper. We're making an Amy Rose style camera. It's got her name on it, and her face. Just push her buttons and she'll snap that shot. Of course, catching Sonic's no easy task. You did it! And Dr. Eggman acts like it's hard. Enlarge! Who knew Sonic was so photogenic? In fact, save that photo for later. Of course, we could sure use the rest of him. Sonic might be flatter than normal, but he's still got moves. And Knuckles is never far behind. Sonic's a speedster, even when in bath bomb form. But it's more fun for bath bombs to sit back and soak. Maybe we should have used a bigger bathtub.
Wow.
But we can still have some fun. Oh, the ring from before. Talk about a callback. Sure beats catching fish in a barrel. Ooh, reel it in. You've caught yourself a Sonic. Let's hope he washed behind the spikes. Plus Tails and all our other friends. It's party time. Let's dance. You know, when it comes to Sprunkyland aquariums, you know you can expect a whole lot of colors. Unfortunately, here comes Mr. Black with a splash. Let's help these fish out of water get right back in. What? Haven't you heard that there's no place like home? But no one says you can't upsize your place. First, we'll need some sand for the floor. Ah, the one time it's okay to track in dust. A pineapple? Under the sea? Oh, where have we heard that before? It's got a surprise. It lets you customize. Always a good thing to have in fruit. Ooh, I think we're gonna need a doorway. You got a little something. Well, eyes are the windows to the soul. What's that? A straw? Well, I am feeling parched. Wait, no, it's more clay. I wonder what it's for. Ooh, it's a stylish pair of headphones. Up next, a toadstool? That's one way to use it. I was thinking, well, stool. Sprouting antennae? I think you've got enough to share. Our fruity friend's looking kind of familiar. It's Orin. But he's still got room for sponges and blocks. Well then, we might as well get building. Now that's an arch of triumph.
Wow.
But it needs a wall. Not to mention some seaside touches. It's time for a little elfin, mermaid magic! Or whatever she is. Are we making a raft? Oh, even better! A lounge chair! Make that a bunch of lounge chairs! Guess it always pays to buy in bulk. Now sit back, relax, and watch our shadow puppet show. Oh, this is a good one. It's the Little Mermaid meets Sharknado. He'll meet his match from Little Mermaid to Big Mermaid. The show's fun and all, but our friends are getting antsy. Come on, I'm sure you have a fun idea inside you. Granted, a little more literal than I expected, but think of what we're saving on building supplies, especially when we're making a Ferris wheel. But first, let's take care of this bubble wrap. At least it's more fun than packing peanuts. Ooh, seems like we gotta lance this bubble. But we can't waste any good material. Oh, our shark friend wants to help. And what a really fun pattern. Wait a minute, it's our old pal, Mr. Sun. After all, everything revolves around him. Seriously, it's science. Come on, let's go for a spin. Things are really heating up. Wait, follow the light at the end of the tunnel. No, really, I think it's leading us to something. Diamonds! And some doubloons. Now that's fancy. Uh-oh, Mr. Black is on the prowl. But don't worry, our crab friend knows what'll help. Something to eat. Like a nice roast turkey dinner. What? No sides? Well, it'll have to do. Let's give it to Sharky. You've had your lunch. Now it's time to launch. We'll just borrow this can of spray paint and use it to fix up our microwave. This puts a nice face on things, but I think our new friend's gonna need some teeth. A lot. Now you're gonna need a leg or cup to stand on. So why don't you cool down as our new bank? But not too cool. Don't want any frozen assets. Still, we can never have too much security. So why don't we whip up a new bodyguard? Gotta love when all our friends come together. And possibly beat up our enemies. He's on the job. Your assignment.
Hey, watch out for Mr. Black.
Keep an eye on Mr. Black.
He's no match to me. I'm totally gonna win.
Of course, the polite thing is to have a warning. Cue the sign. Okay, we gave a warning. Now you get the lasers. Yes, we've got lasers, like every bank needs. Now it's time for our next craft, and it involves our magic pearl. First, it could use some sticks on the side. Next, let's give it a fresh coat of paint. First, orange. Second, another shade of orange. I think we could use more spikes. That's more like it. We're going full hedgehog.
Ooh.
Aw, what a cute little pufferfish. Seriously, without the face, it's a common urchin. Neptune's angels are on the case. Unfortunately, it looks like they're on their lunch break. I prefer my worms gummy, but a girl's gotta eat. Uh-oh! Mr. Black's got a few tricks up his sleeve. But don't you worry. His bite is worse than his bark. And it works great as an alarm system, too. Ugh. So that's where slime comes from. Seems easier than mixing glue and baking soda. Still, let's keep it somewhere sealed nice and tight.
Ooh.
Hey, a fish! We'll need some bait. Hey, come here. I knew he had some leftovers, and he already owes us. Come on, fishy, have a bite.
Ooh.
Now take a dip in the slime. Don't worry, you'll soon have a lot of friends to join you. I just knew we'd be able to smooth things over. Soon, we'll have our very own oasis in the sand. And there's plenty of room for all our pet rocks.
Ooh.
Of course, some people and cats want to go fishing.
Ooh.
Do you think he'll catch anything? Wow! Now that's gotta be some special bait. Looks like we're having sashimi tonight. Uh-oh! Are you okay? I think we should check you out. Ooh, looks like you need some brain food. And quick! Ah, nuts! Great protein, and great in chocolate. Hey, there's something in your ear? Well, whatever it is, we can use it in a craft. Add it to our old shell. And we'll soon have a new turtle. Granted, it's kind of a mock turtle. Either make a griffin and get ready for Alice, or make a whole turtle family. Yes, even better. Even Nereid's gotta keep clean. Got an idea? Starting to see why SpongeBob never visits. Well, at least we've got some soft confetti.
Ooh.
But it needs something. Toilet paper? Oh, I see. You just need the roll. I'd keep that paper, but first, add a slit. Now you can squeeze it in tight. Next, it could use some tin foil. You've got plenty. Ooh, it's starting to look like tree branches. But it could use some color. How about brown, brown, and some more brown? I see that someone's a fan of natural tones. Uh-oh, we almost forgot lunchtime. Guess fish don't fry in this kitchen. Besides, we could put these eggs to better use. It's a stand for our new tree. Now add the leaves. Hey, it's our old pal, Mr. Tree. And he just looks so happy to be here. Our Sprunky aquarium's almost done. Just add water. Pretty soon, our fishy friends can relax. And they'll really be able to wet their whistles. Come on, why don't you enjoy our watery world? They say felines don't usually take to water, but this guy's a regular catfish. Hey, keep your stingers to yourself. Is that you, Nemo? Everyone's looking for you. Atlantis has got nothing on this place.